Since 1988, Metal Magic has been a global leader in the production of brass and copper dies. When an order is received for a brass die, a customer service rep will contact the customer and evaluate the job. The rep will inquire about different aspects such as difficulty, overall effect, and which type of paper is to be used. The CSR will then write up the instructions for the artist to begin producing the job. Next, the job packet, along with the electronic file, is then handed off to the pre-press department, where the file is prepped for the different stages of production. The programmer then receives the prepared file and programs the specified depths and effect. The dies are created one of two ways. They're either sculpted on the computer and sent to the CNC, or they're handcrafted by our skilled artists before heading to the CNC. With a large maximum plate size of 24 inches by 48 inches, our high-speed CNCs go to work. If your company requires cylinder dies, like dies for a Steuer press, we have those capabilities too. If the brass die is being used for embossing, a counter is poured from a high-strength epoxy. Excess epoxy is removed with a CNC off of the counter. And the registration pins are added. We perform one additional final inspection of the finished job prior to sending it to the shipping department. The brass dies are then ready to be shipped. Each die is separated into groups by customer name. We carefully wrap each die on a heavy adhesive cardboard to ensure that the die is transported to the customer without any problems. Orders are then packaged and proceed to our shipping stations. Each package is scanned with a barcode gun. They are automatically weighed and labeled to assure that the finished product makes it to the correct customer at the correct time. A confirmation email is sent to the customer with the tracking information and electronic invoice for the job as soon as the barcode is scanned. Metal Magic produces copper foil stamping dies, embossing and debossing dies, and double etch or reflection dies. We also produce brass dies for multi-level sculpted dies used for embossing or debossing, combination dies for embossing or debossing, and foil stamping at the same time. Brass dies for inline embossing, as well as duplicate dies and precast counters. The best impressions begin with dies from Metal Magic.